His first trip ever.
Gila, the crowd is crazy. Brunei. Now I understand. Now I understand why you guys always buy this.
Tonight, no mercy. We're gonna turn it up crazy. We're gonna turn it up.
Hello guys, what's up? Adib in the house. Guys, sekarang ni Adib dengan Safwan and Calo team.
Calo, kita nak pergi Brunei.
Brunei guys.
First time ever.
First time ever Adib nak pergi Brunei So kita kat flight mana ni?
Kita naik Royal Brunei.
Royal Brunei guys. Dia bercakap Royal Brunei ni semua seat macam business class.
yeah.
You sure about that? Are you sure about that?
I'm not sure. Sekejap lagi kita try. Kita tengok.
But you are a pilot, you should know everything.
But I'm just a normal pilot.
A normal pilot, so humble lah you. Let's go, our team. Saya Adib channel.
Saya buat PA.
This is your PA, right?
Yes. Driver PA.
First time Brunei.
Kau tahu siapa punya bos? Adib punya bos.
Hey.
His first trip ever.
Bos.
Oh my god. Is it a roller coaster? No. It's a train, only train.
Monitor kedua.
Okay, caramel latte macchiato, but less sweet.
Can I try half and half some? You have chocolate?
Yeah, sure, can. Half and half some.
Yeah,
Sebab diorang cakap Brunei kena speaking tau. So that's why I'm training from now to speak with themselves.
So you speak Italian now?
Yeah. That's all. Triple beef focaccia sandwich because I think for me it's my first time to try this.
Your first time.
Because I less eat Western food because I'm really Malay. I'm from Kelantan.
Oh, okay. So you need a bit belacan.
Yeah, I think I need to try a new taste for me. Sorry, can I get one? Focaccia Costania, right?
makan sini.
Diorang makan kat sini. Okay, same together.
So my friend
do you guys have a
from
size?
Istanbul. He's from Istanbul.
Just pure. Okay, sure.
Bank Islam. I thought you from Istanbul.
Yeah, Islam. Bank Istanbul.
Hey guys, so kita dah sampai Brunei. First time ever kita naik Royal Brunei tadi dengan tim Calo.
Jumpa Adib
Bila ada event je.
Football je.
Are you a street photographer?
Yeah, I'm a street photographer and then I can take a picture in your heart.
Hello guys, kita dah sampai Hotel Brunei. Korang semua baru check in. So far, first day dekat Brunei okay, best. Okay, lepas ni kita ada plan untuk dinner bersama VIP pass holder. So siapa-siapa yang dah beli VIP pass holder, diorang dapat dinner bersama kita orang dan juga artis-artis yang lain lah. Can't wait to see them. Sekejap lagi kita orang akan jumpa diorang, makan sama-sama, borak sama-sama. Okay guys, so now kita dekat
Lobby Lounge Atrium.
Lobby Lounge Atrium. Apa nama hotel ni?
Atrium?
RM6.50.
Tak.
Bukan?
Masa.
Bukan, tu 6.5 pukul.
Fresh juice 8.5 multiply by 4.
Multiply 3. 3.89.
8.89. Ada apa?
Bukan. So far ni hotel paling mahal dekat Brunei. Cantik gila. Sekarang kita tengah visit lah. Visit hotel dia. Memang besar.
Expensive hotel in Brunei.
In Brunei?
Yeah, in Brunei. This is the most
Kita boleh jejak kat sini?
Yes. And you know how the price is?
No, I don't know.
I'm just shocked.
Okay, how much?
$300 only. $300 Brunei only, the most expensive hotel in Brunei. Kalau kat Malaysia, hotel paling mahal kat Malaysia, $20,000. $25,000.
Serius lah?
Bagus kan?
Bayar $300 je dapat sini?
Hotel yang paling mahal.
Apa yang dia cakap is swimming pool ni panjang 2 km. Tapi okay lah, lawa. Tapi mungkin sebab tak ramai orang duduk kan. Cantik kan ni? Kau nak ambil gambar?
Takkan atas batu tu gitu.
Korang tengok view kat belakang ni, lawa gila man. Cantik. Ini swim sini. Tapi tak ada orang. Jangan salahkan faham. Oh, lagu tak ada? Layan. Ombak dia kuat gila. Ni, ombak.
Siapa first ni? Kau? Aku. Aku punya. Kau ni konten kan?
Okay, you guys see how massive this place is. I still cannot be, but okay lah, no wonder the price is like that. Bilik lain, I'm not too sure. Maybe $400 satu malam mungkin. Tak tahu lagi nak makan apa. tengah order.
Dia telur je kan?
This two premium for me, like beef, different Wagyu and beef. I think when I eat Wagyu, I feel like I eating expensive thing. I crunch the. I feel like I crunch the money.
Oh, you crunch your money.
Yeah.
So you feel like you eating your money.
So for my reserve, board reserve. Self reward.
Self reward.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so currently kita orang ada dekat Hawaii with the team.
Yeah.
International. This is what number one sports club looks like.
Kita punya annual dinner dekat Hawaii. Biasa.
So currently kita tengah makan sushi.
Thanks to Adib for flying us in here.
Yeah.
Don't mention it.
Bawa you guys. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. This is our videographer. Dekat Hawaii tak banyak sangat boleh buat. Nothing much. Just pantai and cuka lidaku. Say hi.
This is our zen moment.
So we are at Hawaii with the team. You guys boleh tahu siapa yang pancur, siapa yang tak pancur, right? So judge.
Kita tengah masak. Oh, that's so good. Nampak sedap. Korang semua ada Wagyu fried rice. Hey, bayangin. Thank you again. So now we're having dinner with them. So I'll post this on my YouTube, okay?
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow up. Just tell me you're still, take me away. I want you.
Hello, what up? So finally, saya second trip untuk sampai ke Brunei. Alhamdulillah sampai. Jumpa juga dengan Adib. Yes, finally. This duo is back. The duo is back. Yeah. So korang akan dapat konten-konten yang menarik dekat Brunei. Correct. So basically this is my first time. Adib first time? First time. First time juga. So tapi orang Brunei gila weh. Gila.
Yeah, betul.
Aku nak sanjung dah, aku nak puji dah. Siapa tak kenal Usain Bolt lah? Siap. Contoh aku nak bang. Siapa tak kenal Usain Bolt? Player Tyson Gay. Nombor 1 dunia laju ni. Masa dah main kan orang tengok 1 meter, Malaysia tengok ni 1 meter. No, paling laju Nick Rifai. Siapa dia Nick Rifai ni? Laju siap. Hang pegang tapi sayang dia tukar last minute. Betul.
Good morning. Kita orang dah lambat.
Dah lambat tapi sempat nak makan breakfast dulu.
Weh, tapi
crowd gila.
Brunei pagi-pagi buta mai. Kau beratur. Orang beratur sini suku berapa kat ramai gila. Hello, good morning. Day 2 in Brunei. So now we are having breakfast. Dekat hotel kita orang lambat sebenarnya. Breakfast ni tutup pukul 10. But we move. Still nak makan. Rahimi now dia tengah buat roti. Mi buat roti apa, Mi? Roti butter kaya. Okay, thanks, Mi. Love you. Di Brunei, aku mencari kaya untuk sekaya kamu. Gitu. Cakep. Lalu punya tim pun tak siap lagi. Diorang tengah get ready now. Terus kita orang tidur lambat semalam. Hey, wo. So, hari ni kita buat. Kau nampak je senang. Tapi tak senang. Susah ni, perlukan effort. Dia nampak murah dia. Tapi sebab kita makan kat Liffey, so dia nampak mahal. Presentation dia nampak macam biasa. Kurang sikit lah. Biasa maksud dia. So semalam, kita semua tidur lambat. But we had a fun game. Betul. Safwan baru. Otak laju. Game kaca. Tapi sayang semalam tak ambil klip. Lepas tu ambil klip ni memang. Pasal dia pakai boxer. Ya. Betul juga. Kita datang untuk main bola, Celebrity All Stars. Tapi kita main malam. Untuk pagi ni, kita pun jual merchandise lah. So basically aku rasa by the time video ni upload, merchandise tu pun tak tahu ada lagi ke tak ada. Kejap lagi, kita orang akan tunjuk korang merchandise Cala yang ada dekat atas. And booth yang ada dekat atas.
Betul.
Event ni memang nampak simple sebab Brunei tak besar. So dia nampak simple tapi the crowd impact tu boleh cuba lawan Singapore.
Betul. Tapi surprisingly crowd Brunei tu memang gila. Gila. Kita orang ni buat.
Weh, gua rasa macam Kim Jong Un kan.
Gua rasa macam Lisa Blackpink siot.
Gila, the crowd is crazy. Brunei, you have our salute.
Apa we can conclude kat sini, Bruneian memang supportive.
Dia tak nampak tapi vibe.
What I impressed dekat Bruneian ni, okay, kita orang bukan selebriti pun, kita orang bukan artis. Diorang tak kenal kita orang pun. Diorang ada, diorang tak kenal kita orang pun. Kita orang makan satu table. Diorang tanya, what's your name, what's your Instagram, what's your social media? Okay. And then diorang keep on borak dengan kita, interested nak tahu pasal hidup kita kan. And then dia take picture, ambil autograph. Padahal initially kau tak kenal pun.
Yeah. We are no one lah.
Betul.
So,
Kita, to them, we are no one.
But after realizing that bukanlah we are someone,
betul,
at least kita ada sedikit pengaruh, sedikit kenalan, orang tahu kita sikit. Kita start ada the engagement macam kawan lah. So it's nice lah, it's nice.
Betul.
And bahasa diorang kau pasal tak?
Campuran apa
Sabah ada,
Sarawak
Sarawak ada. Tapi semalam kau pergi best kan? Hotel paling mahal dekat
paling
Brunei.
mahal kat Brunei. We had fun lah yesterday. While waiting for the dinner and macam decide macam nak makan alas perut.
So then korang makan kat dalam tu?
Kita makan dekat kedai dalam hotel yang paling mahal kat Brunei.
Wow.
Ni yang paling best tu kan. Merkin belanja semua.
Serius lah.
Kita memang tak mengharap apa-apa. Even member pun kan. Takkan nak. We ordered 9 Wagyu fried rice.
Sushi. Dan bayar Brunei
$.
Wow.
Makin belanja.
Tak, sekarang ni telur separuh masak ke telur dah masak ni?
Kau cakap boiled egg ni?
Oh, boiled egg tu.
Okay. So, apa yang kita notice kan?
Kau tak notice ke yang aku tengah kopik telur?
Nick, jap.
Mostly diorang design baju ni memang size saya. Memang custom made untuk saya punya size.
Kita perlukan dia.
So kalau awak nak tengok cantik dekat hanger memang tak. Kalau kat saya memang cantik lah.
See, what did you guys buy?
Okay, we bought the most expensive.
The most expensive one, the latest one lah.
We bought 2.
You bought 2 and you got free stickers. That's nice. Okay, will you guys wear it tonight?
Yes,
And
definitely.
Okay, I'll see you guys tonight at the stadium.
Yeah, we hope you win. Good luck.
Yes, please. Amin. Bye-bye. Okay, kita tengah make angry.
Kita macam
Dah sold out dah?
Belum.
Jom.
Kita nak pergi dekat rumah adik kepada Sultanah Bolkiah. So it's been a pleasure for us.
Yes, betul.
So kita pergi lunch together.
So,
this is
one an honor actually lah.
an honor lah, an honor.
Betul.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so much.
Weh, rumah ni besar gila.
Semalam actually because kita di notice oleh kerabat sendiri. Diorang notice yang kehadiran kita kan.
Kita jemput.
Ya.
Tengok, rumah aku satu basikal pun tak ada. Kau tengok rumah dia berapa banyak basikal? Thank you for having us. Thank you
Apa
so
khabar?
much.
Kita kat mana kan? Kita kat mana?
Kita dekat Istana Brunei.
Istana Brunei.
Istana Brunei. Mana tak Brunei ni istana dia terkenal kat satu dunia. Dan kita dah kat sini, kita nak makan kat sini. Istana Bolkiah. Bukan berkuah, Bolkiah.
Bolkiah.
Bolkiah. Kan?
Ini rumah kepada adik Sultan.
Istana Baitul Atira.
Baitul Atira.
Kakak.
Kakak kepada Sultan Brunei.
Kakak dia ajar rumah macam ni. Kakak. Sultan Brunei. Sultan Malaysia.
Sultan Brunei pernah duduk sini? Pernah duduk ke sini?
Makan rumah dah.
Tak, kalau macam adik-beradik dia ajak makan ke apa kan. Datang lah sini rumah. Dia boleh lepak sini je.
Kita boleh lepak macam ni je?
Lepak sini.
Jom makan.
Tak, kita dapat jumpa Sultan tak? Dapat. Kita dapat jumpa kakak dia dulu. Dia bagi kakak dulu.
Bagi kakak dulu.
Lepas kakak, kalau ada rezeki kita boleh dapat jumpa.
Ada rezeki. Wah, nampak menarik. Oh, air ni sampai kat Brunei ada lah. Sini makanan-makanan. Ya, crepe. So, I thought you Prince of Indonesia. Baik, intelligent. Ni ada banyak lagi sebenarnya. Bumbul ni. Macam mana lagu? Hubana stay around bumbul ni.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want.
Kita punya vlog. Oh, J-Hope. Lagi kita ada ke sini. Ada blind box. Dan lagi thank you so much. Wah, ramai gila. So they've been waiting. So we are so sorry. Okay guys, say hello. Hello. Ramai gila beratur. Apa dah? Ambil gambar dengan Kimi Nordin, gambar dengan Rahimi, gambar dengan Zaid Ali. Nampak tak crowd? Wow, badan dia wow.
Getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Drinking where I'm by an open fire. Make love or fight, this or that.
Hello. So finally we are back in hotel. The meet and greet and then lunch tadi dengan Princess. Saya nak tunjuk korang dapat hadiah apa daripada orang yang datang. Banyak gila. Bruneian, you guys are so awesome, supportive. So first thing first. Okay, let's see. I dapat ni pop mat. And then dapat another pop mat, J-Hope. And then another pop mat. Another pop mat. Yes, banyak gila. Dapat pop mat lagi. Look at this. I believe ni mahal gila. Yang ni Jisoo Life. Dapat kipas. I will definitely use this. I know dia mahal. Thank you korang. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. From this box kita ada card. Cool gila. Adik idea my face. Dan belakang ni macam boarding pass Brunei. And then you know this QR code you guys boleh scan. Style gila. And then ada notes. Okay, baca, welcome to Brunei Adib. Meeting you feels like a dream. Wishing you success in flying and business. And hoping Brunei brings you joy. Love you Adib. Love you too. Last one, I dapat bunga guys. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you guys. So alang-alang kita nak unbox. Kita nak unbox apa yang ada. Ini actually my first time ever buka blind box. Tak pernah tahu dia hype, tapi we'll see. So yang ni kita nak buka. The first box, School Panda. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, this is cute. I got this. Maybe you guys understand. Ini apa semua. But I got this. But it's very cute. Dia macam boleh lekat something kat belakang. Okay. First one. Another blind box. You call this blind box, right? I believe. Oh. So, another blind box. Wow. Okay, now I understand the hype. Sebab macam comel gila. Style, cool. First one I dapat yang ni. Second one I got this. Matching. I tak tahu nama dia apa. Then dia ada, dia ada dia punya accessories. Kepala and then the box. Can put here. Please stand. Yes, boleh. So, okay, I understand why you guys, mostly perempuan ramai yang collect all this comel-comel punya mainan. Because it's cute. Oh, sorry. Yang ni next box. Let's buka. Oh, guys. Okay. Yang ni very cute. This is so cute. You know, tak tahu korang nampak ke tak, tapi yang ni dia macam ada bulu-bulu. Oh. Okay, yang ni comel gila. Ni comel. Style. Okay. Now I understand. Now I understand why you guys always buy this. Oh my god, that's so nice. Thank you so much korang yang belikan. I appreciate it so much. Tak pernah dapat hadiah macam ni. Thank you. So kita kena unbox ni laju-laju sebab bateri dah nak habis. Yang ni Avengers Captain America. Okay, yang ni I buka lah because kecil. Oh, bateri. Kita kena cepat sebab bateri macam dah nak mati. Okay, this is cute. Keychain. Tada. Okay. I terpaksa buka semua because tak muat nak masuk luggage nak balik KL. And I terpaksa buka dia punya box. I know you guys collect dia punya box, tapi I terpaksa buka sebab luggage tak muat nak balik KL. Barang dah banyak. J-Hope. Look at this. So cute. Style. Oh my god. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Again, I'm so happy. Very grateful for all this. Oh, yang ni cool gila. Oh, damn. Oh my god, I've been wanting to buy this actually. No, before this I pernah beli Jisoo Life punya, tapi tak ada stok yang this chrome dekat KL time tu habis. Damn, you guys bought this for me. You know who you are, but I really appreciate it. So cool. Dan ni dia punya apa je? Oh, dia punya charms. Style. Dan ni sangkut sini. Amazing. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. I love Brunei. We'll come again to Brunei.
Oh, tapi hari ni kita sudah kembali bersenang.
Kita tak main kat stadium yang kita ada, bukan?
Stadium Bolkiah.
Hasanah Bolkiah. Brunei. Come on. Hari ni kita ada game, friendly game dekat National Stadium dorang. Gila. Away. So hari ni kita away lah. Oh. Tak. Ada pisang. Lapar. Weh, ada nama.
Safwan siap.
Oh.
Safwan ni.
Celebrity All Star.
Give me sebelah
Pecah.
For the family, bro. For the family.
Guys, so record. Sekarang 4-0. Adib just goal tadi. Kita goal free kick tadi. For the first time dalam 3 tahun, Adib score free kick. Skor dekat Brunei. Best gila. Sekarang ni masih first half. Sebab kita dah go, kita keluar lagi jap. And then korang boleh tengok skor. Okay, tak nampak lah, but then skor sekarang 4-0.
4-0 free kick di skor oleh Adib guys.
Mi boring eh?
Dip, kau sanggup Dip, kau tak nak celebrate kat aku kan?
Weh, Jauh tu. Aku dah fikir nak ni slide tadi.
Kau daripada Singapura membawa ke Brunei, adik punya perangai, dia kata dia nak celebrate kat saya. Lala dia tak celebrate pun.
Macam mana Mate tadi aku punya
Wait, baik. Nampak aku dah tahu benda tu score. Sebab dia punya wall. What a goal. Keeper lepas ke?
Your specialty.
Proud of you.
Thanks man.
Sekarang kita 4-0.
4-0. Rahimi masih clean sheet
Alhamdulillah. Let's go.
Jom. Sorry. Boleh pegang ke? Hello. I'll post this on my YouTube, okay? I'll show you guys. Guys, I'll post this on my YouTube, okay?